Speaker sir, with all humility and with the support, prayers and well wishes of not only honorable members of this House, but lakhs of my Goan brothers and sisters, including leaders of various communities, religion, I stand before you in this august House with a renewed strength and confidence to present the annual financial statement for the year 2018-19. Sir, my health status has prevented me from preparing a detailed budget speech outlining the achievements, policies and new schemes of our government. However, by the end of financial year 2017-18, I would be implementing in parts the new schemes as well as measures for revenue generation which involve rationalization of creation of fees, taxes and duties. Sir, I take this opportunity to present in brief the budget and fiscal profile for the year 18-19. The total gross budgetary expenditure works out to be 17,123.28 crores as against the budgetary estimates of 16,027.01 crores for the year 17-18, representing an increase of 6.84%. Out of this total estimated expenditure, 11,795.40 crores is towards revenue account and rupees 4,216.25 crores is towards capital account. Sir, the estimated receipts for the year 2018-19 is rupees 13,664.95 crores as against 12,578.88 crores. Estimated for the year 17-18 showing an increase of 8.65%. The state-owned tax revenue, including state share of central taxes, is rupees 8,257.25 crores as against rupees 7,351.32 crores estimated last year. The state share of central taxes for the year 2018-19 is whopping 2,979 crores as against 2,544 crores revised estimate for last year, representing an increase of 17%. The non-tax revenue is expected to be 2,869.33 crores. This year too, a revenue surplus of 144.65 crores is estimated. The details of the allocation of major sectors made in the budgetary estimate are attached. Sir, this year would be the year of employment. My government has given stress on generating local employment by providing nearly rupees 548.89 crores in the sector of industry, labor, employment and information technology, so that they get implemented from beginning of the next year.
Budget has been comprehensively, in spite of the Chief Minister's not being well, the Chief Minister has fully applied himself on the budget. We are yet to go through in detail. I've just gone through the synopsis and I'm confident the Chief Minister has done total justice to each and every department. As he mentioned the subjects close to his heart, and the Chief Minister, as far as budget planning is concerned, I think he is highly knowledgeable in terms of different sectors that require priority, and I am confident that it will be a extremely good budget.
ज्या परिस्थितीत त्याने येवन हे बजेट पेश केलें ताचे वयल्यान गोंयाचेर कितलें प्रेम ताजें आसा, आपल्या हेल्था पेक्षा गोंयच्या लोकांचेर आनी गोंयाचेर कितलें प्रेम आसा तें सिद्ध आनी ताजे वयल्यानूच ताज्या मनांतल्यो ज्यो स्किमी आसा ताणें म्हटलां की आपलें भाशण तेजे वयलें भाशण आनी त्याच प्रमाणे ज्यो स्किमी आसा मागीर ते टॅक्स लावपाचे आसूं किंवा लोकांक दिवपाचे आसूं त्यो जून जुलय म्हयन्यांत आपूण घालतलो आनी त्या खातीरूच हे करता आसतना आज ताणें इतले त्रास घेवन हें बजेट केलां, तें लोकार्पण केल्लें, आपल्या स्वताच्या हातान लोकार्पण केलां आनी म्हाका दिसता जवळ जवळ 12 ते 13% एक्स्ट्रा पोरूचे पेक्षा हें बजेट आसा. प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटाक काही ना काही ताणें दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केला
In the budget, the figures that are reflected are clearly reflecting the aspirations of Goans. The younger generation of Goa wants jobs. The focus is on employment. The focus is on agriculture. Focus is on health. Focus is on education. I welcome that.
Overall, the gist of the budget looks to be very good. Unemployment scenario is very challenging. And coming in as a team and with the coalition government, Manohar Parrikar Pavanche swapna asa ki employment scenario handle kurcho. As a labor minister, I have spent a lot of time on this particular issue with him. As a IT minister, I have spent a lot of time. And as far as the gist of the budget goes, it looks good because the priorities for towards employment have been given to handle unemployment. Overall budget, in terms of facts and figures, but inside of it is we know that the industries have been given a major boost. So investments coming down, creating the ecosystem for employment is a priority which we are always defining, and that seems to be the priority of our government today.